Hi everybody, today we are going to go and this is TruCharts.com. So this particular video will be based on one of the key features on our website, and today we'll talk about why you use a particular page called the end of day reports, and I will show how you log into that. And basically, so as when you come into the home page, you see when you're a logged in user, this is the home page that you will see. And basically you want to go to the market reports page. This is the page we're going to talk about today, and we'll explain how you use this page and what is the purpose of this page. This page basically is a compiled page at the end of the day. What this page does is it goes through all the stocks and generates all the stocks that meet this particular criteria. So I am very used to using this, for example, bullish MACD crossovers. If I'm looking for stocks that have bullish MACD to indicate to me to buy the stock or go long the stock. There is also bearish MACD crossovers where you can use to determine which stocks to either sell or short. Now you have to be very careful. These are not very hard and hard indicators. Sometimes you can have a negative MACD and still the stock will go up. So please treat this as just as a report. So what we do is we generate these reports for, let's say, a new 10-day high. You can see the new 10-day low report and how many stocks met that criteria. And basically you go on and sometimes you want to find stocks that are oversold. So you can find two ways stocks are oversold. One is oversold with an improving RSI that tells you the stock is oversold, it's coming back up. The other way to find is RSI less than 30, for example. The other option is you can go to stochastic overbought or stochastic oversold. You can see that it basically, once you click on this, for example, what it'll do is it'll take you to a page where you have a very neat report that is sorted alphabetically for you, and it shows you the change and the price. Now this is all sortable and filtered. Basically I normally filter basically using volume, and you can see when you can I sort highest to lowest. And one other key feature we have on this website is, for example, a mouse over chart. So you don't have to go and click on each chart. You can just quickly scan through the list and quickly see which charts are meeting the requirements basically of that particular. For example, this is stocks about 20-day SMA. So Marvell hit about 20-day SMA today. That's why this report generated that stock. You can see this stock was up approximately $14 on Friday, and basically you can see that same thing here. For example, PLTR or Plug Power or many. It just shows you all the stocks that met that criteria, and you can quickly scan through the list. And the other way you do this is basically you can go through the list and keep going. You can see there are 102 pages of this list. I just usually use to see if there's any stock I'm very interested in, like high volume stocks that trade over 1 million shares. So I have to keep going basically to find that. The other, and the way you go back to it is you just click on market reports and you can scan this list. The one key feature this stock list has is it has this our proprietary strategy TC fast rate buy signals, fast rate sell signals, and these are our proprietary strategies. So you can find from this which stocks traded generated the buy and sell signal. Again, I sort by volume, and you can see here, for example, Marvell generated a buy signal on our strategy. Now I would wait and watch it. Normally in the auto trade feature, which we will show in another video, this would have automatically bought it the next day after the move happened basically. So you can see here, you can go through here and see, oh, Snowflake generated a buy signal. You can see it's coming off as very um, basically. And also if you click on this, it will go back and show you the chart directly. So you can look at the chart and say, oh, okay. And once you look at that, you can decide if you want to buy it or you want to whatever trade action you want to do, that's upon you. And if you hit the back video, it will go back to the same list. The other thing I wanted to show about this page, market reports page, is if you look on the right here, there are already index stock lists that are already formulated for you in one. So like the Dow 30, the Nasdaq 100, and the S&P 500. Additionally, what we did was we created sector based stock lists. So you can say basic materials, it'll all have basic material. So you don't have to literally go through and say, oh, well, where are all the material stocks I need to find? Well, you can just go in here and look at the chart and it'll show, you can see the charts are much, we have them in the dark mode format, and you can see that we have shown these. So you can again go back and just hit back key here, and you can go, for example, in financial. It'll show you all the financial stocks, and basically you can just quickly look through those. So this is a very unique feature we have, and our mouse over feature is amazing because it quickly allows you to see the chart technically and make a quick decision technically. So, and also we have this other nice feature, we can allow you to change the color of the grid. So you can see it becomes green here, and also you can look at, for example, the NASDAQ 100 list. You can just sort by volume again, and you can go through each of the charts. For example, Nvidia, Marvell, Intel, Tesla, all of these stocks obviously will show up because they all belong in the NASDAQ 100. So I just wanted to go over this page and show you how it works. And please use this page effectively by scanning for stocks that you want to find that have opportunities for you to make money in long or short. Now, short I highly recommend for very highly professional traders who understand what shorting does. So anyway, I'll stop the video here, and you can send us the questions via using our contact us page, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.